Hey guys, it's me again. I found out how to create the Goldberg's finisher, the jackhammer, this jackhammer, and well, first you're gonna have to click the front kick to the groin, set it to 133, and then for the next one, you're gonna have to do the suplex clutch and set it to 100. And then for the next one, you're gonna do body slam, body slash suplex lift. Set that to 100 too. And then you do the 360. Hold up. For number 2, for number 4, you're gonna do the 360 spin. Lift him up. See how he's doing right there. That's a spin. And then for number 5, you're going to do slash suplex impact. That should finish him and set that to 150. And for number 4, that's going to set that to 100. And then for when you click finish, you can't actually save the jackhammer because they won't let you. It's just total failure. But I set mine to the sledgehammer, which is the same thing. See, the sledgehammer, it actually is the same thing. The sledgehammer is the same thing, but then you click sledgehammer finish, and that's how you do Goldberg's finishing move, the sledgehammer.